Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 11 on how to create a Friday Night Funkin game in Roblox. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to turn the animation shop into an actual shop and not only just equipping it, unequipping. So to do that, it's really simple. We just have to add like some if statements and stuff. So if you go ahead to the dance shop right now, this is what we have. Whenever you press the equip button, it just equips the dance, and we don't want that. We want an actual upgrade shop. To do that, it's very simple. All you have to do is inside of start GUI, inside of the animation shop, inside of the dance 1 and dance 2 button. Wait, before we do that, what we're gonna do is inside of your songs, inside of the animations folder, each animation should have a int value. This int value is going to be the price, so price, and we will change this to, for example, 10, and the other one on dance 2 should be like 20. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some leader stats called coins. So if I just copy and paste this, and I'm going to change this to coins, and change the value to 0, this should display a coins leader stats. So let's see if it works. And as you can see, we have wins and coins. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the coins saved. So in here we're gonna do coins saved, and in here you wanna do coins saved is equal to data store get async plr.user user id dot, and you want to do a hyphen and coins. And down here you want to copy this, paste it here, and change this to coins. And in here you want to do player.leaderStats.coins.value. And in here you want to do coins.value is equal to coins saved. That should save our coins. What we're going to do now is inside of our dances, I'm just going to delete this, or maybe not right now. So yeah, I'm not going to be doing that right now. I'm just going to be deleting dance 2, and inside of here, dance.name for space song dance price value. And if you go here, it should say the name of the dance for and the price. So dance 1 for 10. Now we're gonna change this to say buy instead of equip. So we're gonna do that right now. Just change the text of this to buy, and in here you want to check if actually we're not gonna be checking anything. So inside of your main server, we're gonna have a folder which will inside of our player values. So local animations is equal to instance.new, and we're gonna create a folder, and we're gonna parent it to the player values folder, and we're gonna do animations.name is equal to animations. And then what we're gonna do is whenever they buy an animation, so inside of this, no, not this. Alright, so we don't have any remote events yet. So what we're gonna do is whenever they buy it, we're gonna fire a remote function. So inside of our remotes, we're gonna add a remote function which will be named to buy dance And instead of doing this, all you have to do is, well, delete all of this and game.replicated storage.remotes .bydance invoke server, and we're gonna send the price, or yes, we're gonna send script.parent.parent.name, and we're gonna turn this into a variable. So local result is equal to that, and inside of here we're gonna do game.replicated storage.remotes.by dance.server invoke is equal to function, and we're gonna get the player, and then we will get the dance. So local animation is equal to game.replicated storage.remotes or .animations find first child dance. Find first child dance. And we'll check if the player does not own it already. So if plr.animations, or if not, plr.animations find first child and dance, or dance, then we will buy the animation, else we will return error. So we're gonna do return error. Let's just return error, and in here we're gonna return success. So what we're gonna do is return success, and in here we will create a value. So local val is equal to instance.new, and we're gonna create a string value, and we're gonna parent it to plr.animations. And after that we're gonna do val.name is equal to dance.name, or actually no, since it's already a name, so we're not gonna have to do that. And after doing this, I think all we have to do is to play the game, or actually before we do that, sorry, we will check if the player has enough money. So to do that, in here you wanna do if plr.leaderstats coins.value is greater or equal than the animation price value, then we're gonna do all of this, else we're gonna return error. So return error. And after doing this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna subtract the price of the dance from the player's coins value. So plr.leaderstats.coins.value minus equal, which is the same as player.leaderstats.coins.value, is equal to player.leaderstats.coins.value minus something. So what I usually do is just put a minus and an equal to animation.price.value. And after doing that, this should work properly. But in here, what I'm gonna do is if result is equal to success, then print bot, else print error. So what we're gonna do is test this out and see if it works. So if you go ahead and play the game right now, I'm pretty sure this should work properly, because I don't think we've done any errors. So if we go here, buy this, it should return error. But if we have enough, so let's go to our player values, animations. Now, I did forget something, which I'm 100% won't work. So, sorry, I'm 100% sure that this won't work. So, to do that, player values, if player values dot animations. So let's make sure that we spelled it correctly. Yes, we did. Player values dot animations. And now if you go ahead and play the game, this should work properly this time. So if we go ahead and play this, we can buy this and it says error, which is normal. But if we get enough coins, maybe like 500, and we go here, I'm pretty sure we're gonna have an animation string value inside of here, and it returned bot, which means that our system worked properly. But we're still not having the animation, which is pretty useless. So to fix this, what we're gonna do is, after this print bot, you can remove it if you want. If you're just annoyed, it just printing annoys you, you can just remove it. But what I'm gonna do is, actually, I'm not gonna, yes, script.parent or for I, v in pairs, script.parent, or actually script.parent, yes, .parent, colon get children, do if player plr dot I think it was player values dot animations, find first child v dot name. Then what we're gonna do is v dot equip dot text is equal to equip, else v dot equip dot text is equal to buy. And after doing that, script dot parent dot text is equal to equipped. And after this, I'm pretty sure everything should work properly. So we are looping through that, but before we do that, we're gonna check if vcon is a and frame. Then we're gonna do all of this stuff. So if we go ahead and play the game, or actually before we play the game, what we're gonna do is change the value. So go back to your main server, and after doing that, we're gonna do plr.player values dot equipped animation dot value is equal to dance. And I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Equipped animation, yes. So after doing that, we need to have a way to equip dances. So to equip and unequip, I mean. So to do that, what we're gonna do is else, and or actually instead of that, in here we wanted to return owned, or we're gonna return equip, and make sure you do it here, not here. And instead of here, else if result is equal to equip, then. And what we're gonna do is loop through this and set it to equip oh, That's not a problem. All we have to do is to, in here, we're gonna do this. Just paste in this and it should work properly, I think. So, let me read this. So when they equip it, yes, and all we have to do is to change this back to equipped. So just copy this, paste it here, and our system should work properly. So let's go ahead and play our game and see how this is. As you can see, inside of player values, we can buy this because we have enough coins, and it does create an animation value, and it does change the equipped animation thing to that. But we do have a problem though. Player values, which means I spelled player values wrong. Player values, and I'm pretty sure that should work now. Alright, so now that I spelled player values right, this should work properly. And yes, I said that like 10 times, but that's not a problem. So let's see if this works. Buy, and it says equipped. Very cool. But we do have a problem though, which is we have not tested this out with 2 frames. So let's duplicate this, rename this one to dance 2, and see if dance 2 works. I'm pretty sure we don't have to edit anything in. Yes, we don't have to edit anything. So let's see if this works. So we can buy this, equipped. We can buy this one, and it says equipped. And we can equip the other one. And yeah, this works perfectly. And our value does change. Player values, equipped animation, changes without any problem. So yeah guys, this is going to be it for today's tutorial. If this helped, make sure to subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!